Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and sound. You are watching ZA Academy, and today we have a very exciting, very fantastic tutorial which about to change the clothes color, to change any color to any color. It's very simple, just some few steps you have to follow and you will be the master of it. Just keep following me and you will be able to learn this. Let's jump into it. First, open a very clean picture and you just use some steps to make this. And first, we simply take the quick selection tool and by customizingly and precisely we just select the subject and just simply drag the selection tool and select the subject carefully. You should be careful. After the completion of selection, just click on the select mask. Actually, it is a very precise way to just refine the hair and just take the refinement brush tool and precisely just brush to make a good selection of hair. Now come to the blue and click on the layer mask and just create a layer mask for our selection. Now you can see. Right click on layer and choose convert to a smart object. And then go to filter and then blur and Gaussian blur. And just simply decrease the radius to 1.7. And then go to the color adjustment layer and choose the solid color and select and just make this. And then right click on color adjustment layer and choose the create clipping mask to make this a clipping. And then go to the blend mode and change the blend mode to the multiply. And then click on effects layer and choose the blending option and just break down the underlying layer grays. Now check the magic. Just click on the color and just simply change the color and the color will be automatically changed. Just see the result. And this is the clipping mask and color, changing any color to any color of your subject. It's very simple and just few steps you will be master of it. And you are watching ZA Academy. This is my humble request. Just follow ZA Academy, subscribe ZA Academy, like and comment. If you have any query, you can reach me from my email. Hope you understand how to change any color to any color. And thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And just stay creative and established. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.